In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed HTML code into your hosting or website builder, step by step. Whether you want to add a custom widget, external form, chat script, tracking code, or any custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript snippet, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to insert the code properly, publish it, and test it to make sure everything works perfectly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the Website section. Here, you'll see a list of your hosted websites. Find the website where you want to embed the HTML code and click on Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can customize your site visually. Once the editor loads, the next step is to add an embed code element. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different options and elements that you can add to your page. Click on the plus icon labeled Elements. This will open the Elements library. Scroll through the available options until you find something called Embed Code, Custom Code, or HTML Embed. The exact name may vary slightly, but it will clearly indicate that it allows custom code insertion. Once you find it, simply drag and drop that element onto the section of the page where you want your HTML code to appear. After placing the element on your page, click on the Embed or Custom Code box that you just added. You should see an option that says Edit Code or something similar. Click on that option to open the code editor. Now, paste your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript snippet into the box. Make sure you copy the entire code correctly from the source to avoid breaking the layout. Once you've pasted your code, click Save or Update to apply the changes. At this point, you may see a preview inside the builder depending on the type of code you added. Now that your code is inserted, the next important step is to publish your website. Even if the code looks correct in the editor, it won't be live on the internet until you publish the changes. So go to the top of the screen and click the Publish button. Confirm the action if prompted. Hostinger will now update your live website with the embedded code included. Finally, you'll want to test everything to make sure it's working properly. Open a new browser tab and type in your domain name. Navigate to the page where you added the embed code and check if it displays or functions as expected. If it's a form, try submitting it. If it's a widget or script, confirm that it loads correctly. If something doesn't look right, go back into the editor, double-check the code, and republish. And that's it. That's exactly how you embed HTML code into Hostinger Website Builder quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.